reporting on this thing. It was the bizarreness of the story that got my attention. That that it may have been. That's Blitz 411. Gotcha.
Real people, real stories.
So I had an appointment with the surgeon, and he told me what all he was going to do, and it was just absolutely.
And it makes no sense. At one time, Doris Bither, who's the focus of this investigation in Culver City, was on her bed towering, the light zipping around her. And when you
they're very much interrelated. So I would say that consciousness is that which experiences. So it's the thing that is experiencing our life, it's our awareness. And an intuition is a feeling that we have that's within that consciousness that might tell us to go in a certain direction. And the intuition, I think, is distinct from the mind, as you say, in many ways. It's also distinct from our intellect, which wants to kind of logically lay things out in a step-by-step fashion. Whereas intuition or heart-based decision-making is kind of a feeling.
With you perhaps about someone who has departed. We'll get the specific information for you when we come back in a moment on Coast to Coast AM. Hollister ran with us.
Starting to cool, we're spending more time indoors. This is the perfect time to have Zero Res give your house a good deep cleaning so it's sparkling from top to bottom. Zero Res recently cleaned our basement carpets and all our area rugs, including a white one in my teenage son's bedroom. They have never looked better. Zero Res has also restored and refreshed our hardwood floors. They're beautiful, and using the same patented green-powered water system, Zero Res also took the glom off our bathroom tile and cleaned out our air ducts. They performed their magic without using any toxic chemicals